Now, I'm not going to lie, but I feel a little bit intimidated by this, and that's the work of Jaguar. This is the new Jaguar F-Type. This particular model next to me is the 5-litre V8 R-Dynamic P450 all-wheel drive, and as you can see, it's a bit of a beast. Finished in the gorgeous Sorrento yellow paintwork, it certainly stands out too. I'm going to take you on a brief walk around of this Jaguar F-Type to show you all of the key features and all the nice design cues. And if you stay long enough, you might even be able to hear the exhaust. So diving straight in, and this Jaguar F-Type has had the new redesign. It features the aggressive front radiator grille, which also carries the gorgeous tessellated grille design. This is also repeated in the side intakes, which has also been revised. Smart little features such as the F-Type embossing into the front bumper also updates the whole look. We have that long sweeping bonnet also, which flows nicely into the updated and quite controversial LED headlights, featuring signature daytime running lights with that jade blade styling. Personally, I love the front end. I think it's a vast improvement and it looks so mean. The jaw-dropping design work does not only feature on the front of the vehicle, but also continues on into the side profile, which I personally think is a stunning side profile. The F-Type features the powerful shoulder line which runs into the rear arch, which accentuates the F-Type's road presence. This vehicle also features the gorgeous gloss black 20-inch 5-spoke design alloy wheels, which also come with the contrasting red brake calipers, which feature phenomenal stopping power. Nice little additions such as the gloss black side vents feature the Jaguar logo and tessellated grille design, which is featured on the front of the vehicle too. Nice little touches which really make this F-Type feel that little bit more premium. The rear of the Jaguar F-Type has also had a few design tweaks too. This is an optional extra rear fixed spoiler which adds an element of aggression to the traditional F-Type look. The new F-Type also features LED tail lights, which as you can see match that of the front headlights. With this vehicle being equipped with the black exterior pack, it will also feature the gloss black model badging, which is a really nice touch, especially with this bright contrasting yellow paintwork. And of course, the part you've all been waiting for, the amazing quad-mounted rear exhausts. We also have the gloss black rear diffuser, which adds that element of aggression once again. And to be honest with you, this rivals the looks of that of a Lamborghini. And it also has a soundtrack to go with it. See, I told you it could rival the soundtrack of supercars, and rightly so, because it has some pretty impressive performance figures too. 0 to 60 is a blisteringly quick 4.4 seconds. It also packs 444 brake horsepower and can achieve speeds of up to 177 miles per hour. That's pretty quick. The interior echoes that of the exterior. It is absolutely gorgeous. So why don't I take you and bring you inside to check out all of the cool features. As you can see, this is a lovely place to be. The F-Type offers a fully digital instrument cluster which is clean and responsive, allowing you to customise the display to suit your driving needs. The centre console also houses a fantastic 10-inch Touch Pro display, which is responsive to the touch and offers a wide range of features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, media options and navigation. The ability to customise the vehicle setup is also available, and you can also gain access to a helpful rear reversing camera, as demonstrated here. Lower down provides access to the air conditioning controls, which are easy to use and are conveniently placed. These also double up as the heated seat controls. Another super cool function is the rising air vents, which is very James Bond. Lower down provides access to additional driving modes, along with the active exhaust button and a sleek leather trimmed gear selector. The ebony leather seats provide plenty of comfort and support. These are also electrically controlled. A fantastic Meridian sound system is featured throughout, and the cabin also benefits from a fixed panoramic roof. So then, the new Jaguar F-Type. Are you a fan? Personally, I'm a huge fan. It packs impressive performance figures, bagfuls of theatre, and jaw-dropping looks. What's not to love? I purposely haven't included a driving section into this video either, because personally I think that you need to go down to Jaguar Crewe and book yourself a test drive in order to experience what the Jaguar F-Type has to offer. Because no review, No words can sum this vehicle up. Thank you for watching.